As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So we're comparing the Weber Q1200 and the Char-Broil Performance Series 4-burner grill, huh? Big difference right off the bat. The Weber is much smaller.
Yeah, the Weber's got a cooking area of only 189 square inches, while the Char-Broil boasts a whopping 475 square inches. That's, like, more than double the space.
Exactly. The Weber's definitely for smaller gatherings, maybe a couple of people, whereas the Char-Broil can handle a whole family barbecue. But, the Weber's way more portable, right?
Totally. It only weighs 30 pounds compared to the Char-Broil's hefty 85 pounds. Think tailgating versus backyard grilling.
And the BTU output is different too. The Weber Q1200 has 8,500 BTUs, and the Char-Broil has 36,000 BTUs plus an extra 10,000 for the side burner. So the Char-Broil can definitely get hotter faster, and you can cook side dishes simultaneously.
Good point. Although I noticed the Weber has porcelain-enameled cast iron grates, which are supposed to be great for heat retention and searing. The Char-Broil also has cast iron grates, but they are porcelain-coated too.
Yeah, that porcelain coating makes them easier to clean, which is always a plus. Speaking of easy, the Weber comes fully assembled, while the Char-Broil requires assembly. I hate assembling things.
I hear you. But the Char-Broil has some nice features, like the LED illuminated control knobs for nighttime grilling and a temperature gauge on the lid. The Weber has a temperature gauge as well.
True, and the electronic ignition on both is super convenient. No more struggling with matches.
Price-wise, the Weber Q1200 is around $259, and the Char-Broil is about $370. So, you are paying extra for the larger size and features of the Char-Broil.
Okay, so it comes down to this. Portability and convenience versus size and features. If you need a grill for small spaces or taking on the go, the Weber is the way to go. If you're hosting big cookouts, the Char-Broil is a better choice.
Sounds about right. And don't forget the side burner on the Char-Broil if you like to multitask while grilling.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.